Welcome to our...
Gio with the gigs.
Ano yan, last set?
Last set. Belong with me. With Monay and Jules.
With Gigi.
Sino yan? Sino kumanta niyan? Yung...
Taylor Swift yung kumanta nito.
Sigat?
Maraming mga alam na.
Sige,
Sobrang alam na.
Alam ni Bea tsaka ni Dud yan?
Oo.
Sige. Galingan mo.
Sophie, alam na alam niya.
Yan talaga.
Memorize yan.
Papanoorin niya yan to.
You're on the phone with your girlfriend, she's upset. Talking about something that you said. He doesn't get your humor like I do. I'm in a room, it's a typical Tuesday night. Listens to music, he doesn't like. She never get your story like I do. She wears shorts, cause I wear t-shirts. She's chicken captain and I'm on the waitress. When you're not the day, when you wake up and find what you're looking for. It's the year to go inside, you can see that I'm the one who understands you. So why can't you see you belong with me? You belong with me. Walking the streets with you when you were not just when I'm at the bar, I was thinking to myself, this is you guys smile, there's one time, it's going down, what you doing with a girl like that? She wears shorts, I wear sneakers, she's chicken captain and I'm on the beaches. When I wake up and find what you're looking for, it's been years. Been here a while now, so why can't you see you're alone with me? Standing by the break at the back door all the time. How could you not know, baby? You belong with me. You belong with me. Oh, remember when I'm driving to my house in the middle of the night. I'm the one who makes a laugh, I'm the one who makes you cry. With a song, I'm about to cheat, hey, if you can see that I'm the one who understands you, been here all along, so why can't you see you belong with me? You belong with me.
Yung sponsor, thank you to...
Sponsored by Gugu Dolls. Kasi Gugu Dolls bigla.
Gigi Dolls.
Gigi Dolls.
Ay, Gigi Dolls. Ayan, may pangalan din. Ano yun, ano?
Gigi Dolls.
Gigi Dolls.
Ang asim ng pangalan natin. Ang badoy.
Gigi Dolls.
Mukha daw sila dolls.
Ayaw mo
Eh, di si
Gigi Dolls.
Gigi Dolls.
Gigi Dolls! Yun! Gigi Dolls.
The Gigi Dolls.
Gigi
Dolls
Dolls.
Dolls.
Gigi Dolls. Gigi
Gigi
Dolls.
Dolls. With the Gigi Dolls.
With the Gigi Dolls.
Sino yung gusto nyo makajamming din? Sa nasusunod?
Si ano?
Gigi Dolls. Darsh Ruby.
Si Darsh Ruby. Ayan.
Si Darsh.
Tsaka si Shishi.
So, dadami na yung mga ano. So, kailangan practicein nila yung mga kanta nyo, ano.
So yan, ano yun, practicein niyo yung mga songs na ano.
Pinaano ko sa'yo, Beth.
Ah,
Ano
kinanta
naman ang
ko.
chords nun? Di ba may sinend ako sa'yo?
Papunta kami sa
Kaya nga, wala man siyang chords.
Aralin mo to ako kayo. Asan na ba yun?
Puta,
Walang chords niya, no?
Hindi, yung wala siya kasamang chords.
Oh.
Hindi mo chinek yun, yung...
Hindi.